automation engineer, otomasyon mühendisi, accommodation, konaklama yeri, furnished, mobilyalı, budget, bütçe, real estate agents, emlakçılar, requirements, gereksinimler, noisy neighborhoods, gürültülü mahalleler, discouraged, cesareti kırılmış, called, görüntülü arama yaptığı, counter space, tezgah alanı, practical, pratik, functional, işlevsel, colleagues, iş arkadaşları, affordable, uygun fiyatlı, well connected, iyi bağlantılı, charge, ekstra ücret almak, falling apartmış, tear, yırtık, wobbly, sallanan, moving ready, taşınmaya hazır, repairing, tamir etmek, frustrated, hayal kırıklığına uğramış, promising, umut verici, landlord, ev sahibi, spacious, geniş, comfortable, rahat, modern, appliances, ev aletleri, balcony, solid wood, sağlam ahşap, well-maintained, iyi bakılmış, sturdy, sağlam, dresser, chiffonier, inspect, incelemek, storage closet, depot dolabı, belongings, eşyalar, housewarming, yeni eve taşınma kutlaması, rewarding, ödüllendirici, negotiation skills, pazarlık becerileri, connections, bağlantılar, chapter, bölüm. Automation engineer, otomasyon mühendisi, accommodation. Konaklama yeri, furnished, mobilyalı, budget, bütçe, real estate agents, emlakçılar, requirements, gereksinimler, noisy neighborhoods, gürültülü mahalleler, discouraged, cesareti kırılmış, video called, arama. Yaptığı, counter space, tezgah alanı, practical, pratik, functional, işlevsel, colleagues, iş arkadaşları, affordable, uygun fiyatlı, well connected, iyi bağlantılı, charge ekstra ücret almak, falling apart, parçalanmış, tear, yırtık, wobbly, sallanan, moving ready, taşınmaya hazır, repairing, tamir etmek, frustrated, hayal kırıklığına uğramış, promising, umut verici, landlord, ev sahibi, spacious, geniş, comfortable, modern, appliances, ev aletleri, balcony, solid wood, sağlam ahşap, well-maintained, iyi bakılmış, sturdy, sağlam, dresser, chiffonier, inspect, incelemek, storage closet, depot dolabı, eşyalar, housewarming, yeni eve taşınma kutlaması, rewarding, ödüllendirici, negotiation skills, pazarlık becerileri, connections, bağlantılar, chapter, bölüm. Automation engineer, otomasyon mühendisi, accommodation, ama yeri, furnished, mobilyalı, budget, bütçe, real estate agents, emlakçılar, requirements, gereksinimler, noisy neighborhoods, gürültülü mahalleler, discouraged, cesareti kırılmış, video called, görüntülü. Arama yaptı. Counter, tezgah alanı. Practical, pratik, functional, işlevsel, colleagues, iş arkadaşları, affordable, uygun fiyatlı, well connected, iyi bağlantılı, charge ekstra ücret almak, falling apart, parçalanmış, tear, yırtık, sallanan, moving ready, taşınmaya hazır, repairing, tamir etmek, frustrated, hayal kırıklığına uğramış, promising, umut verici, landlord, ev sahibi, spacious, geniş, comfortable, rahat, modern, appliances, ev aletleri, balcony, solid wood, sağlam ahşap, well-maintained, iyi bakılmış, sturdy, sağlam, dresser, chiffonier, inspect, incelemek, storage closet, depot dolabı, belongings, eşyalar, house, yeni eve taşınma kutlaması, rewarding, ödüllendirici, negotiation skills, pazarlık becerileri, connections, bağlantılar, chapter, bölüm.
Adam's house hunting adventure. Adam was an automation engineer who had recently started working in Belgium. His company allowed him to stay in their accommodation for the first 2 months, but after that, he had to find his own place. Adam knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was ready for the challenge. He began his search by looking at online rental websites. He wanted a furnished 3-bedroom apartment that was within his budget and close to his workplace. There were many options, but most were either too expensive or too far away. Adam decided to contact a few real estate agents. He met with them in person and explained what he was looking for. They showed him several apartments, but none of them felt right. Some were too small, others were in noisy areas, and a few were way over his budget. Adam started to feel a little discouraged, but he didn't give up. One evening, Adam video called his family to update them on his search. "I saw a place today," he said, but the living room was tiny and the kitchen had almost no counter space. His sister laughed. "Well, at least you won't have to cook much if the kitchen is that bad." Adam smiled but sighed. "I need something practical. A decent-sized living room, a functional kitchen, and 3 bedrooms, one for me, one for a home office, and one for guests." His mother added, "Don't settle for less, Adam. You'll be living there for a while, so make sure it feels like home." Encouraged by his family's support, Adam kept looking. He also asked his new colleagues for advice. One of them, Marie, suggested a few neighborhoods that were affordable and well-connected to the city center. "But be careful," she warned. "Some landlords charge extra for old, broken furniture." Adam took her advice seriously. During one apartment viewing, he noticed the sofa had a big tear and the dining table was wobbly. He pointed it out to the landlord, who simply said, "It's still usable. You can fix it yourself." Adam shook his head. "I'm looking for a place that's ready to move into. I don't want to spend my weekends repairing furniture." The landlord didn't argue, and Adam left, feeling frustrated but determined to keep searching. Finally, Adam found a promising listing online. He called the landlord, Mr. DuPont, who seemed friendly and helpful. They arranged a viewing for the next day. When Adam arrived, he was pleasantly surprised. The apartment was spacious, with 3 good-sized bedrooms. The living room had a comfortable sofa, a coffee table, and a bookshelf. The kitchen was modern, with plenty of counter space and new appliances. There was even a small balcony off the living room. "This is nice," Adam said, trying not to sound too excited. "But is all the furniture in good condition?" Mr. DuPont smiled. "Of course. The sofa is only a year old and the dining table is solid wood. Everything is well maintained." Adam nodded, feeling hopeful. He checked the bedrooms. The master bedroom had a double bed, a wardrobe, and a desk. The second bedroom was set up as a home office with a sturdy desk and chair. The third bedroom had a single bed and a small dresser, perfect for guests. Adam turned to Mr. DuPont. "This might be exactly what I'm looking for, but I'll need some time to think about it." Mr. DuPont nodded. "Take your time, but let me know soon. This place won't stay available for long." That evening, Adam called his best friend, Tom, to get his opinion. "It sounds perfect," Tom said, "but make sure you check the bathroom and storage spaces. You don't want any surprises." Adam laughed. "Good point. I'll go back tomorrow and take a closer look." The next day, Adam returned to the apartment. He inspected the bathroom, which was clean, and had a good-sized shower. He also checked the storage closet in the hallway, which was spacious enough for his luggage and other belongings. Satisfied, he called Mr. DuPont and agreed to sign the contract. A week later, Adam moved into his new apartment. He arranged his belongings, set up his home office, and even bought a few plants for the balcony. He invited Marie and a few colleagues over for a housewarming dinner. As they sat in the living room, Marie looked around and said, "This is a great place, Adam. You did well." Adam smiled. "Thanks. It took a lot of effort, but it was worth it." Looking back, Adam realized that finding the perfect apartment had been challenging but rewarding. He had learned a lot about the rental market, improved his negotiation skills, and made new connections along the way. Most importantly, he had found a place he could call his own. Adam's house hunting adventure had come to an end, and he was excited to start this new chapter of his life in Belgium.